Hey y'all, Miss Star back here on Miss Star TV, and this time I transformed myself into a ringmaster. If you'd like to see how I achieved this, then please keep watching. Okay, first, as always, I'm going to start with my brows by using the LA Colors brow pencil in black, like this. Okay, now I'm going to use LA Colors Jumbo Pencil in seashells all around my brows and my eyes. Then I'm going to use some white pressed powder on top of that, like this. Okay, now I'm going to glue these triangle pieces of paper as center as I can as I'm looking straight forward using LA Colors lash adhesive, like this. Okay, now I'm going to take Wet n Wild's Fantasy Maker Face Paint in Horror Night, mixing it with some water. Then I'm going to take this beauty sponge, making holes in it with my fingernails. Then I'm going to stamp it all over this diamond and this eyelid, like this. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing, but with vampire blood. But I'm going to use a toothbrush to stamp it all around the diamond and the eyelid. Plus, I'm going to flick some on my face, like this. Okay, now I need to remove my diamond stickers with tweezers. Okay, now I'm going to use LA Colors gel eyeliner in white, put that on my waterlines. Then I'm going to use some black eyeliner and put that below the waterlines. After that, I'm going to make cat eyes on both eyes using LA Colors liquid eyeliner, like this. Okay, now I'm going to use Wet n Wild's Mega Lass Catsuit lipstick in Missy and Fierce, fill in my lips and make a nice smile on both ends using a lip brush, like this. Okay, I feel like painting this on wasn't enough, so what I'm going to do is just take my finger and smear it across. That's better. Now I'm going to use NYX's Professional Eye Color in Stripped as my contour, like this. And now I'm going to messily put on mascara on the top and bottom lashes, like this. And now I'm going to put on my costume, my wig, and my hat, like this. Hey, thanks so much for watching. This was messy and fun. If you liked what you saw, click that like button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, click that subscribe button. If you have any questions, suggestions, concerns, or ideas, please put those in the comment section below and we'll get to those as soon as we can. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok for behind the scenes and so much more. And don't forget you can become a huge part of our Star TV family by supporting us on Patreon. Thanks again, you guys. Bye.